You're watching Tajamul, Adil. If you just bought the AZDOME M550 Pro dashcam and want the cleanest installation possible with no wires messing around, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you the best way to install the AZDOME M550 Pro from start to finish, including the front and rear cameras and professional tips to make your installation look factory installed. Let's get started. The installation process for the dash camera looks pretty simple, but people make mistakes during installation. I'm using the cigarette lighter adapter for installing the M550 Pro dash cam. Let's jump into it. The AZDOME M550 Pro 4K dash camera includes a 64 GB memory card in the box. A 64 GB card holds a good amount of videos. Before the dash camera starts overwriting old files, you can plug the card in and start filming right away. The M550 Pro lets you change the angle of the front camera. This helps you find the best view of your videos. At the bottom of the dash camera, you will find a couple of buttons. Apply an electrostatic sticker to your car windscreen before you mount the camera. Start by wiping your car windscreen with the cloth. Remove all dust and fingerprints from the glass. Next, take the electrostatic sticker and press it firmly against the glass. To power your dash camera, use the included USB-C to USB-A cable. Plug the USB-A end into the power source, such as a cigarette lighter adapter, then plug the USB-C end directly into the M550 Pro. Begin by removing the 3M sticker tape from the M550 Pro. This sticky pad attaches the camera to the mount. To keep your windscreen clean, first apply the electrostatic sticker to the glass. This keeps your video clear. On this side of the car, I hide the front camera cables. This prevents the cord from hanging down or blocking my view. For power, I plug the dash camera into the cigarette lighter socket. It is a simple setup that avoids cutting into any factory wires. Now that you have the front camera set up, you can move to the back of the car. Installing the rear camera is the next big step to get your full system working. Let us get the rear camera installed. The rear camera records in 2.5K high definition. You can tilt and turn the lens to get the right angle. It comes with a 3M sticker for the tight grip. Also, it comes with a detachable cable option. Starting by whipping down the rear windshield with a clean cloth, take your electrostatic sticker and place it on the windscreen. Press the edges down firmly to make sure there are no air bubbles. Start by positioning the rear camera on the back mirror surface. Press the camera firmly against the sticker. This ensures your recording stays steady and clear. I routed the rear camera cable through the interior trim to keep it out of sight. This method hides every wire from view. No loose cables are hanging down and no messy bundles are visible in the car. The M550 Pro captures video in 4K resolution on the front camera. This provides a sharp and clear view of the road ahead. To get the most out of these lenses, you need the right setup. I am showing you the quick settings to use the best image quality and performance. The M550 Pro is equipped with an advanced driving assistance system (ADAS) that utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze road conditions and provide real-time warnings and alerts. This innovative system works like a smart co-pilot, assisting the driver by monitoring various factors. While the ADAS is an impressive feature, it is important to note that it cannot drive the vehicle automatically. This innovative technology can improve your overall driving awareness, allowing you to be more alert to your surroundings by providing real time alerts and insights about potential hazards. The ADAS function serves as a valuable tool in preventing accidents. The M550 Pro Dual Dash camera captures video in 4K Ultra HD. This high resolution makes it clear to read number plates and see street signs. Many drivers struggle with grainy footage at night. The M550 Pro solves this with Super Night Vision. This feature lets the camera record clear images in low light and clearly records number plates. As this video shows, the camera captures number plate with ease. The text stays clear and visible even when the car drives at high speed. To wrap things up, I want to show you some real world driving clips. I have captured footage from both evening and night trips. This lets you see how the camera handles bright sun and low light. You can check the clarity and color in the daylight scenes. The M550 Pro dash camera features super night vision to keep drives safe after dark. Most camera struggles when light fades, but this model captures crisp detail during sunset and late evening drives. It picks up clear images of road signs and number plates even in low light. The M550 Pro dash camera can record clear footage in a dark environment. This means you can see number plates and road signs even in the dead of light. It removes the blur and grain that usually ruin night videos. Whether you drive through a dim car park or a pitch black country lane, the M550 Pro captures the detail. This helps you prove what happened during a nighttime accident. You get a sharp image that protects you from false claims. The M550 Pro delivers 4K Ultra HD resolution from a crisp image. This high pixel count ensures every detail stays sharp. Its super night vision works well in low light. It brightens dark roads so you can see what is happening. This makes the camera a reliable tool for identify vehicle in any lighting. The 4K Ultra High Definition AZDOME M550 Pro Dual Dash camera installation process is complete. The cables are completely hidden. The cameras are positioned correctly, and the AZDOME M550 Pro is ready to protect you every time you drive. If this video helped you install your AZDOME M550 Pro, give it a thumbs up and leave a comments below if you have any questions. If you would like to see more dash camera installation guides or reviews and setup guides, then click on this playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.